What the? Oh my god! So your keyboard doesn't work. Let me show you how to fix it. Well, what's up everybody, Mr. Slamby here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the keyboard. The words don't type or whatever. Get the USB right here. Anyway, you're going to need a screwdriver, 2 M80s, and a lighter. M80s, these are like the fake ones. They let's see if I can autofocus here. Probably not. But whatever, I'll see if I can... it's almost there. They're the M2000s, which are basically M80s. So, yeah. So, yeah, you're going to need, like, a fireplace a little bit and a little bit of, like, a cutting surface. Like, you would use to cut, like you cut wood on stuff, you know? So, yeah, let's get to it. Since usually I forget something, you're going to need a hammer, too. So, yeah, if I could find one in here. I know you're going to need a hammer, so... Brothers, yeah, this is our work area. It's really messy. But, yeah, there should be a hammer somewhere. Whatever, you probably won't need a hammer, but it's good to have one there. So, yeah. Alright, so, I might have to move the camera, but you want to get one of the keys off that, and that's what the screwdriver is used for. You picked it off a little bit, you kind of pop it off. It should pop off great, and you should have, like, little squidsies in there. And what you want to do is put your M80 right there and close it up. I would going to get a better view at the top, so you're going to have to hold on while I switch to slow motion and get this going here. Alright, so you probably want to light this end and light a different end, so I'm going to come over here to the side with the enter key or the 0 key. We'll pop that off right here. Go. Now we're just going to put the other M80 right here. So it's going to have to be a speed light. And we'll probably have to take cover when we light them. But I got to switch to slow-mo. And I got to get a better surface. So yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, so this should be recording a slow-mo. What I'm going to do is try to light that one and that one at the same time. In spurts of energy or whatever, that makes sense. I'll light this one and then move to this one. It's got to be a quick like... And, so, I know these are really loud, too, so I don't want to, like, I mean, they're not even that bad. It's the daytime, it shouldn't be really that loud, and it's windy, so, you gotta make sure nobody's around or something. If you like this one, it's fine at the same time. It sounds very difficult, because these have really short fuses. So, I don't think anything cool is gonna happen going on the thing about, I think it'll fit better there, actually. So I'm just going to pop this one on. Here we go. See? I will just put this on the other side. So we get maybe like an explosion coming out. So yeah, this is probably, I got a focus, see? We got a good focus here. Okay. Alright. Turn this a little bit towards the camera. I don't think it's going to be that good, but we could do it anyway. So that's got to be both of those at the same time. Okay. Alright. Oh, dude. That almost lit. If you heard the sound, you hear it. You heard it go. Alright, so it's gonna be hard. Oh, geez, no. Wow. Oh, did it hit one of these out? Bro, that was insane. We gotta do that one now. Oh my god. Alright, well now we gotta do this one. That was loud. And then after this, I just want to try to hit it. We got the backspace over here. I don't even... This goes, I think, like right here or something. Goes right here. I don't even know how this one flew off, but it's gonna be cool to see them flying off in slow motion. So, I want to try to get like a better of all of them flying off, so I'm gonna pop a few off. I'll pop them off the one key, since these are not gonna move. Let's surround these with number keys. Alright, should be really nice right now. So it should be getting exploded now. Alright, so this is it. This is this one, and then we're just trying to hit it And they're probably gonna end up lighting on fire like always. So, you want to just light it right here? I gotta move that. Oh, it's so windy out here. You can't really light anything. Just gotta stand in front of it. Oh wait, yeah, I'm in slow motion. Just gonna make sure. Maybe it's just lighter. Oh my. Ah, okay. Hopefully got a good explosion there. It's slow-mo. I make sure I didn't step on poop or anything. This is poop. Alright, well that was nice. So yeah, we're gonna move to just when I'm hitting the tape so I can probably get the pieces flying in slow motion. So yeah, how to fix things is almost fixed. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit it right here and see like if the pieces will pop out. Most likely they will, because you can see that it's a little bit bending a little bit, but I just wanna like maybe like try to hit it in half. Because these pieces are already gone, they're somewhere. We gotta what we have now is backspace. I guess we'll just put that back in. But all the pieces are in the grass somewhere, so next time we cut the grass, something's going to be hitting there, so whatever. Yeah, so yeah. Just want to get one good hit right here. Wow, that did absolutely nothing. Alright, I think I'm just going to keep going until it happens, and I can just move to slow motion to the point. Wow. This thing is indestructible, man. Maybe if I go this way, then you won't see any of the... Or maybe if I just... Oh, that is really bendy. Alright, I think it's one good swing. Oh, yeah, some of those flew out there. We got some pieces flying out everywhere. I got hit in the face with the control key. But yeah, I mean, that piece flew off too. Alright, so I think another good swing, but I gotta redo it. Whatever, you need it. Alright, so I think one more like good swing right here. I got something with my eye, bro. Yeah, so I think we got a few pieces coming out, but I thought we'd get most of these out. These might just have to come out in the fire and we get them out afterwards, but I think a few more good swings on it will do it. Alright, whatever. We got one good piece out, so we're just gonna put it on the fire and then that's it. Okay, so this should be regular. Alright, so we're just gonna... Now my phone is really undersensitive. Alright, we're just gonna start playing here. I really can't use a lighter. Alright, it just went out that time. It's not lighting. Oh, I got it. This is horrible, man. I'm horrible at lighting. Just pines. I think that's not gonna go out. Shouldn't go out. Well, yeah. So we'll go in hyperlapse until it's all done, and then we'll show you what it's like afterwards. Alright, so we're gonna put this out now, just see what it looks like afterwards, because it's laying black smoke everywhere. Like a house is on fire or something, so yeah. We're gonna put it out soon, so I'll be back with a bottle thing of water. Okay, so... Ooh. It's still firing a little bit. See if I can get a good zoom in on it. I gotta set it down. You see that? That looks so weird. I can't wait to pick that up after when it's not. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a little bit of bubbles in them. You see those smoke? I mean, oh wait, never mind, I'm dumb. That's because we just poured water on it, the water's boiling. But dang, like that's how you fix the keyboard. We'll show you After Effects in a little while, so I'm probably just gonna pause and wait until we get back up to speed. So yeah, we'll show you right over here at this table, but I'll bring it after. See if we have any more juice in it. I'll bring it out after it's all done and do. I think it's been like a minute and it's still smoking like this. I think I might recap. Alright, we'll try to poke a stick at it. See. This thing is hard still. I thought it would be gooey because it's plastic. Alright, let's see if we can. Oh yeah, it is still gooey. Hopefully get a good shot of that right now. Oh. Nice and gooey. I'll try to zoom out. So we can get a good look. Nice and gooey center. So yeah, I mean, we're not done because it's still getting fixed up right now. But I'll come back when it stops sizzling. Alright, so we're just gonna get a little bit more water, even just cool it down. It's still smoking a little bit. I don't know if my camera can see that. Let's see if we can move it to the table. This is gonna burn my hands or something. Well, I should take proper precautions because if you can see that. I think I could just use it. Alright, well, we got it right here. Let's check it out on the table. Let's see here. Let's see it straighten out my phone. Give me a second. Oh, I'm just trying to get it on the tilt, man. Alright, whatever. It's gonna be a little. Alright, so get close up. Oh my god, my camera wants to be retarded today. Alright, whatever. Yeah, it's not. Alright, so I know this keyboard just needs the finishing touches to get fixed up. It is a little bit smoky. As you can see, we got a cord right here. Should be really good and useful. Because if you look at it, it's so amazing. So yeah, probably gonna break here. Oh my god, there's dirt and stuff flying out. Alright, whatever. Yeah, this is hard as a rock. So yeah, we can go. Oh my god, I just got that all over me. But that was good slow motion. God dang, man. Got it all in my hair, on my arms, my hands, like. you're gonna be working on something, make sure it's like easily can be fixed easily. So yeah, I think this ends the video. We showed you how to fix it. This should totally fix your computer. Every time you need to fix, this should be it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, my next videos, I don't know when I come out with videos. Well, you see that? Little air bubbles popping up there, but yeah, I don't know. That was nice. Well, that was a nice video. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and the next video should be great. So, peace.